Oh my god, what is that? You're so pretty. Get out of here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I got some comments wondering if I could share what makeup I use, like what brands and everything, and also just how to apply it. There's a word beginning with C, I can't remember. I don't even know, never mind. I thought today I would show you my everyday, well not everyday, I try not to wear makeup every day, but my everyday makeup routine. It's so easy and it's so quick. Most of you already know that my favourite makeup brand is Benefit. So most of the product today are from Benefit, but then there's others like No. 7 and stuff like that. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm very red because it's boiling in my room, but oh well. First, I literally just use a wipe to get any like grease, because we're all teenagers, I have bad skin, and just to kind of freshen it or whatever. I use the Simple face wipes, cleansing wipes, and they're really good. Oh, I missed. So after cleansing my face, I use a foundation, and the foundation I use is No. 7 Stay Perfect Super Light Foundation in the shade Calico or Calico, however you say it. It's really good. It's really good for coverage. My skin is really bad and it seems to cover that quite well. I'm also using my Eco Glam brushes and I'm obsessed with these. They're so good. So when you're finished with that, I'm going to use the No. 7 Instant Radiation Concealer. I'm just going to put it on all my spots, which takes blooming years. This again is really, really good for coverage. And I tend to put it on after the foundation, and I don't dab it in straight away because it just kind of comes off, so I let it sit for a bit. I also put it a bit under my eyes to lighten it a bit. I've got Piano Man stuck in my head. Big up Billy Joel. I'm kind of happy about this update on the lockdown, that you can like see people in the park and stuff. But I feel like my parents are still going to be really strict on who I see and when I see them. So I don't think I'm getting out for the next few months. What if we start uni like online? What about Freshers Week? Like what do we do for that? How do we meet guys? The next thing I do is I use bronzer. I literally put it all over my face because I'm pale as... I'm so pale. You're on it. And also just because I'm obsessed with the Hoola bronzer. My foundation makes my forehead kind of shiny, well my face in general, and that seems to act as like a powder, like a bronzer powder, and you don't really tan. I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and again it's just Maisie barking. And then I'm using my Eco Glam brushes, and although I put this all over my face, I also do it on my eyes, and it acts as kind of like an eyeshadow, which I love, and it looks really natural as well. Why am I so red? Oh yeah, the eyes. Can't forget the eyes. And be very generous with this because you want some actual colour. Like put makeup on after you've plucked your... Are you supposed to put makeup on after you've plucked your eyebrows, or is that bad? Because if so, then oops. So that is that. Make sure to blend into the neck so you don't look white and then brown. I actually did this in one of my old like summer makeup video things, and the lighting was so awful and I ended up looking so orange. I'm gonna try to put it in. Next, I would usually do my eyebrows. If I was gonna fill them in, which most of the time I can't be bothered, I use the Cabral by Benefit. That's why people do that. That's crazy. And I use shade 3. I'm not going to fill them in because I've just plucked them obviously, but I will use what I usually use if I don't fill them in properly. And again, this product is from, okay guess, Benefit, yes of course. I'm using the Gimme Brow in shade 5. I'm just looking in the mirror because I actually can't see on the camera. Brushing kind of up and outwards. Wow, my eyebrows actually look kind of okay. And then the next thing I do, which I don't necessarily do every day, but if I want to like make my eyes stand out a bit more, I think I've mentioned this. I mentioned this in my prom video, which I'll put in the eye thing up there. I'm using the Naked to Urban Decay palette, and I am using the shade Blackout. And I'm going to use this side of the brush, and I'm just going to literally use it kind of as eyeliner. So do it along here, but only that. I'm not doing wings or anything. So you can definitely see a difference, I think. Next, I'm going to apply mascara, and the one I'm using is from Chanel because I'm classy. Even looks so nice. And this is in like the colour 10. Ooh, there we go. This is literally such good mascara. I was using their Real Mascara Eye Benefit, but that ran out, and so I am using this now. Look at the difference. That is that. And then, I don't really tend to do this, but I just thought I'd include it because it actually looks really nice. But I'm using this Sleek makeup palette. It looks really groggy, I'm sorry. Can't open it. And I'm going to use the really light shade at the end, the one that's the most used. Weirdly, I'm going to use this as a highlighter, or use for the creases of my eyes, or like a bit on top of the eyelids, on my nose, and on this bit. Is this like the Cupid's bow or something I heard? We'll see where it takes us. Bear in mind, it is really late right now. I'm putting a full face of makeup on right now. The commitment is real. Also, this palette is called Eye Divine, but like with an eye, it's like that. At the end of my makeup, I tend to put on Vaseline because yes, I am that. And I use either the Cocoa Butter, which is more like kind of like shiny and it's not tinted or anything, or I use the Rosy Lips one, which is tinted, which is the one that I'm going to use today. I put tons on because I'm obsessed with this. If you need to like unchap your lips, like use this. Oh, don't try kiss it just went everywhere. And it is that. Stop it. It's too funny. And that is literally it. And it takes me like 5 to 10 minutes. It is so easy and so quick. And honestly, if you just want to like put on makeup and it look kind of natural and like at least something, especially with the eyeshadow kind of eyeliner look, it just makes it look so much better. It is so good to use. I definitely did in school, and I was a boarder and I had to get ready really quickly. So yeah, that is the look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys know what products could be really good to use, and that you know how to apply them now. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do any more kind of makeup looks, how to overline lips and stuff. I don't know, different looks. That is it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, please. And thank you for watching, and subscribe if you're new, and if not, then thanks for coming back to my channel, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.